Here is a wonderful 2014 Jeep Wrangler. With less than 200,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Jeep Wrangler, the rugged and iconic, adventure-loving four-wheel drive open-air SUV with the power and capabilities you need for your outdoor lifestyle. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, fog lamps, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. On the road or the trail, be who you are in the Wrangler. Test drive it today.